Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making egg bites in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cosori 5.8 quart. So many different ways you can make these egg bites. You don't need to use exactly what I do in this recipe. You can add Canadian bacon, sausage, ham, add it all, or just make it veggie. I will show you how to put this all together. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I have 4 large eggs into my bowl. To that, I am going to add about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of heavy whipping cream. You can use milk if you'd rather. I'm going to season this up with some salt and pepper. You can use any type of seasonings as you like. I'm also going to add a little bit of this chipotle seasoning from Flavor God. They are an online store. I will leave the link down in the description if you are interested. All of their seasonings are pretty low in salt, so if you're watching out for that, you might want to check them out. It's probably about a half a teaspoon I'm putting in there. Flavor God has all types of seasonings. I've tried out several. They are really good. I'm going to whisk this all up together real quick, and then I'll grab our ingredients and we'll put this all together. All right, we are ready to add our ingredients. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped red pepper, 1/4 cup of sliced green onion. I have 2/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm not sure I'm going to add all this. I'm going to start off about 1/2 cup. Teeny bit more. And 1/2 cup of cooked breakfast sausage. And I'll whisk this all together. I'm going to be using these silicone cupcake liners that I got off Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you are interested. The set I got comes with all kinds of different shapes. You got your stars and hearts and cute little flowers. I'm just going to go with the basic cupcake shape. Move this over to the side. Grab one of the liners. By the way, these liners are good for up to 450 degrees. I used these before in the air fryer and I did not need to spray these at all. The egg bites came out perfectly. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can go ahead and spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. I find that a ladle works well getting this egg mixture into our cupcake liners. Just a little bit more. That looks good. Got the egg mixture almost up to the top, not quite. This will puff up just a little bit. I will finish these up and then we'll pop them into the air fryer. Just a quick note here, you may find it easier putting the cupcake liner in the basket first, then filling it up that way. I feel it's a little awkward doing it this way. I prefer just to do it on the table, but I thought I would just let you know that. All right, I have these all filled up. I was able to get 6 out of this recipe. We are ready to pop this into the air fryer. Now I'm going to gently put these in because I don't want these to spill out. All right, I have the air fryer set to 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. About 13 minutes in or so, I'm going to check these. I'm going to insert a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, they are finished. Okay, this is what I did. I let it go for a full 15 minutes. I checked it at 13. They weren't quite ready. They are ready now. So a total of 15 minutes at 320 degrees in the Cosori. I have a few of these plated up. Some of you might frown on this, but I am going to add a little bit of sriracha to these. Cut one of these open for you. You can make these ahead of time if you want, and these would freeze really well also. As I said earlier, I will leave the links down in the description for you for the Flavor Guide seasonings and the cupcake liners if you are interested in checking that out. Speaking of checking out, here are a few other air fryer recipes I think you would enjoy watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.